Page 17, Away in a Manger. This is in 3/4 time, so we're only counting to 3, but we're still counting quarter notes. And this has dotted rhythms in it, so it's important you be able to do the dotted rhythms. At the beginning, you're still in middle C position, but in the right hand. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So that 8th note comes on the end of some number. Second line, you're here. 1 and 2 and 3 and. There, and then the third line is similar to the first. And then the last line, you're here. 1, 2, and 3, and. Now here we're playing both hands at the same time. It's the first time in this book we've done this. In that last line, when you do this in the left hand, or the right hand, you got to do this in the left hand, same time. And you're going to hold that left hand down. That's a dotted half note. It gets 3 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So in the next measure, you're playing those notes at the same time. Now this is tricky. This is the last line, second measure. You're here, and then the third beat, the right hand needs that C, but the left hand's using it, so the left hand has to get off it a little early because the right hand needs to connect these notes. There can be no silence there. It's got to connect them, so the left hand has to get out of the way. Just a little bit early, not a lot, just a little early, and then you're okay. So watch out for that. Then add the slurs. There's just a little silence between each slur, just like you're taking a breath is all. It's fine. So you learn it, and then come back and do the play with me part, and we'll double check the notes and the rhythms, make sure you have those correctly. So I'm going to give us 2 counts, and then we'll start. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 2. 1, 2, off. Now there's a duet part at the bottom, at the bottom of page 16. I want to play that, and you play what we just played. But again, I need you to go up an octave. So pretend middle C is up here to this C, and play it all up here. And we'll speed it up a little bit. This is not a fast piece, but we'll speed it up a little bit. I'll give it 2 counts. Now the duet part doesn't have a pickup beat, you do. So I'm going to play your part, your pickup beat with you, and then I'll play the duet part. So I'll give us 2 counts and we'll start. Ready, go.